How to create an album on iPhone to organize photos. Open the Photos app on your iPhone. You can create an album in two different ways. The first way is by selecting photos directly. Tap Select at the top right, choose Multiple Photos, and then tap the three dots at the bottom left. Tap Add to Album, then either choose an existing album or tap the plus icon to create a new one. Name the album and tap Create. This is a quick way to organize photos, but it offers limited options. For more control, go to the Albums section in the Photos app. Scroll to the bottom, and if you don't see albums, tap Customize and Reorder to make sure it's enabled. Tap Albums at the top, tap on Create or Reset button at top. Here you can create a regular album, a folder to group multiple albums, or even a shared album. A shared album lets you add photos and invite other people so they can view or add their own. Name the album, select Photos, and tap Create. Once the album is ready, you can open it anytime and tap the plus icon to add more photos. You can also tap the three dots icon at the top to search, share, or delete the album. Deleting an album will not delete the photos inside. They remain in your main library, and that's it.